Hello children, very good morning. Hope all are well. Today's topic venation. This topic taken from class 7 CBSE pattern and previous video already discussed about parts of leaves and structure of leaf, what is the function of leaf. Here we will discuss about venation. Part 1. So previous video link I will put up in this video description box. You can easily find out. Before we start this topic, welcome to our Science Fact channel and please like, subscribe and more share and press red button for upcoming notification and knowledge build topic mix with this channel, mix with this science channel, and class wise I will take this topic. Okay, so here we will discuss about venation. And any query and any contact with me, please my email amitakumar225@gmail.com. This is a diagram of leaf, reticulate venation. Okay, this is a diagram of leaf showing the reticulate venation of vein. So here discuss about venation. How can define venation? So let's start. Let's start. Venation is defined as the arrangement of veins and veinlets in the leaves. Here we can see this word veins and veinlets. This is a vein. Okay. This is a vein. You can see this diagram of leaf. This is a vein. Some side veins comes from the central vein. This is a central vein. We also known as midrib. Okay, in previous session already discussed about midrib. So here some veins comes from side. This is called veins, and some side veins. Here some small veins comes from side veins. This is veinlets. Okay, this is veinlets. This is veinlets. You can see this diagram. This is veinlets. Okay, or this is a midrib central vein arise from leaf base and reach to the tip of the leaves, and some veins comes from the side midrib or central vein and side veins. This is a side vein, and some small teeny veins comes from the side vein. This is called veinlets. Okay, so venation is defined as the arrangement of veins and veinlets in the leaves. Arrangement. Okay, arrangement of veins is called venation. Okay, venation is defined as the arrangement of veins and veinlets in the leaves. Different plants show different types of venation. Okay, different plants have a different types of venation means different types of veins arrangement showing in the leaf having a different plants. Okay, different plants showing different types of venation. Generally there are two types of venation, reticular venation and parallel venation. Okay, two types of venation found in leaf. Generally two types of venation found in leaf, reticulate venation and parallel venation. Reticulate venation and parallel venation. Here we will discuss about only reticulate venation. This is a part 1 topic, and part 2 already we will discuss about parallel venation. So let's start reticulate venation. How can define? In a reticulate venation, the veinlets are randomly arranged and form complex network of veinlets. Okay, in reticulate venation, this is a reticulate venation diagram of leaf. You can show on your notebook and draw in your notebook. Okay, this is a reticulate venation and arrangement of veins. This is a very complex network of veins showing in leaf surface. Okay, so in reticular venation, the veinlets are randomly arranged and form a complex network of veinlets. In reticular venation, the veinlets are randomly arrange and form a complex network of veinlets. This is called reticulate venation. It means irregular arrangement of veins. This is called reticulate venation. Okay, so complex network of veinlets. Dicotyledonous plants like rose and rose plant. Example taken in rose plant leaf showing a reticulate venation. And reticulate venation involves irregular distribution of veins to form a network. Example rose, taken example rose, tulsi, hibiscus, papaya, magnifera. These plants of leaf showing a reticulate venation. Reticulate venation means irregular veins distribution or arrangement on surface of leaf. Irregular distribution and randomly distribution or arrangement on surface of the leaf. This is called reticulate venation. The example of leaf, rose leaf, plant of rose leaf, hibiscus, magnifera. This is a example of, and papaya also having a leaf of reticular venation arrangement. Okay, so this is a description of reticulate venation. So let's revise again. Venation part 1. This topic taken from class 7, very important topic from leaves taken here. And venation is defined as the arrangement of veins and veinlets. So simple language, venation arrangement of vein and veinlets arrangement is called a venation. Okay, veinlets is in the leaves. Venation is defined as the arrangement of veins and veinlets in the leaves. Different plants show different types of venation. Lots of plants found in our surrounding and different leaves having included there. Okay, these different leaves having a different type of venation or arrangement of veins. Okay, so here only discuss about reticulate venation. Okay, different plants show different types of venation. Generally there are two types of venation found in plant. Generally there are two type of venation found in leaves. Okay, this is the first reticulate venation and second parallel venation. Here we can see this diagram, this leaf showing only reticulate venation. Okay, discuss about and let's revise reticulate venation. In a reticular venation, the veinlets are randomly arranged and form a complex network of veinlets. Okay, in a reticular venation, veinlets are randomly arranged. In reticulate venation, in a veinlets are randomly arranged and form to complex network of veinlets. Okay, example dicotyledonous plants like rose plant. Here we can see this is a content, very important topic, important lines. Reticulate venation involves irregular distribution. We can say here irregular distribution of veinlets. Okay, involves irregular distribution of veins to form a network. This is called venation. Okay, so irregular distribution and randomly arrangement and form a complex network of veinlets in present on leaf surface. This is called reticulate. So here we can see here this is a venation is defined as the arrangement of veins and veinlets. Okay, and reticulate venation irregular arrangement of leaf surface. Irregular arrangement of veinlets on leaf surface is called reticulate venation. In a reticulate venation, veinlets are randomly arranged to form a complex network of veinlets. This is called reticulate venation. Example taken rose plant leaves and some rose plant, tulsi, hibiscus, papaya, magnifera has a also showing on leaf reticulate venation. So we will finish this video, and very interesting topic and fact mixed with knowledge and about you know about vanation. This is vanation is process found in leaves of plants, dicotyledonous plants like rose plant, hibiscus, magnifiera, papaya also. This reticular vanation is an irregular arrangement of veins and veinlets. Here we can see our main vein is a central vein, and some side veins arise from a central vein, and some small veins arise from a side veins called veinlets. So veins and veinlets arrangement, irregular arrangement, randomly arrange and form a complex network of veinlets. This is called reticulate venation. So we will finish this video, and I will request to all, please subscribe, like and more, share and press red button for upcoming notification and knowledgeable topics with this channel, and you get it easy way and very use in very easy language, written this content very easy language, and draw here this diagram. You can note down this content and draw in this picture. Okay, if this topic, the PDF of this topic available, you can contact with me. My email amitakumar225@gmail.com. So thank you very much. Be safe, stay in home, defeat to coronavirus, and take care. God bless.